Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's see how to draw the flowchart for round robin algorithm. Guys, how the round robin algorithm is going to work that we have seen in the earlier video. Right? In general, it will work with based on the factor of time quantum. Right? So initially, all the processes are in the ready state. Right? So once they are in the ready state, once we pick up one particular process, I can say once we select a process, that process burst time we are going to check. Am I right? That process burst time we are going to check whether it is less than or equal to time quantum or not. If it is less than or equal to time quantum, I can complete this my execution. Means if it is yes, I can directly execute it. And then I can terminate the process. Guys, here the symbols I am not giving the correct way. Just you have to understood the flow. Right? I can terminate it. If burst time is not less than the time quantum, what you have to do? We have to execute it for particular time quantum. Then we have to make the burst time as reduced. Burst time equal to burst time minus time quantum. Then we'll make our process into once again into the ready state. Right? So that again it will select the process. Again, if it gets a chance, it is going to be executed. Right? So if I say clearly, this will be start and it will end, and this will be stop. Okay, so this is the flowchart for round robin algorithm. So if you are unable to understand it, just go with the example and come back here so that you can get the clear idea. Hope you understood this video clearly.